This is the outcome of a screen for stocks that are performing better than their industry, or as the case may be, better than the S&P 500. You can see this is Palantir, 111.53%, 117.84%. Let's see what the header is saying up here. Performance versus industry last 6 months, 111 for Palantir. Performance versus S&P 500 last 6 months. Yeah, you see that? 111.53, 117.84. So the underlying trend, you can easily imagine, is a strong bullish one. Has continued to bring high highs. Even though the extrapolation is indicating that a distributive correction is expected to come in, but I think that may have not that may have been the extrapolation for some time now, and hasn't still has defied the odds and has continued to print higher highs. There are no there are no upper projections we can see right now. Rather, we have a downward projection on this based on the algos we have. It has a downward projection of $104.3. Outside that, there are higher projections that were in place before. This is let's see now. This 134.43. Yeah, 134.1, 134.43. Has it even printed? It has actually printed something like that. You can see intraday high of 133.49. So going by all of these, we have increased our projections. All our projections, we have projections all the way towards 110. Those have since been negated. They've since been taken out. But they're still relevant, because when it's going to come down, it's going to, those projections may serve as support, especially here. These ones we have on the chart here, 104.27, it can serve as a support. So we've had additional projections. We now have 152.61 and 167.54. I think those may even be all-time highs or something like that. I'm not exactly sure what they will be. So in terms of trying to get a good idea of where things are, we have to have a look at its market grid. It will give us a good idea of you know the overall picture. In terms of, I mean, obviously, it has printed a lot of gains recently. The market grid is going to tell us whether it's overcooked, whether it's going to, whether we should buy or not. So the current price now, as things stand in this pre-market session, is 128.36. So 128.36, it's just you won't believe it. It's not even in the resistance zone. So given all of these gains, it is still not considered overbought. It's just gradually getting into resistance zones. It was there. It encroached into that territory. You can see that 133.49, and they sold it. They sold it off. They are watching. I think they may be following the charts very well. They may be following. It may not be this particular market grid. They could use price channels. You can see this price channel as well. It's pretty much effective as well. So what is indicating here? It's blown through the outside of its price channel. It has to technically. It's not a must, but the algos are watching. The robots are watching. If it's outside of this price channel, they will come and try to shut it, and that's what has happened. It has to remain in the channel. It has to remain in the channel. If it's outside that, it's an easy validation that it has to be sold. It's overcooked. It's something bearish has to come in. Something, a retracement is afoot. So given all the strength it has been showing, yes, it is not even in the resistance zone. It's just in between. It's in a region between the resistance and support zones. Yeah, you might say that it's gradually getting, yeah, it's gradually maybe coming down to into the support zones. And yeah, if it comes down, that's good as well. If it comes down to the support zones, that'll be good. 120.94 is where it begins to get really comfortable. So good as it is at what it is right now. It's opening up buying opportunities for higher to print. Opening up my. So it's good. It's good that it's not trading way outside of its price channel as things stand right now. At some point, it was, So that's the essence of some of having a look at the price channel and or the market grid, as the case may be. We could also try and see what the news is for. Yeah, we can have find a news here on Trading View. Let's see what the news is. There's always some news. There will be some news. Bank of America lifts target to 150 on AI Edge. Hits another all-time high. Yes, I mentioned, yes, it is an all-time high. So the probability of it printing those prices is those projections we had 152.61, very 162.61, 157.54. Those probabilities are very slim, very slim. But you know, these ones are equally slim. These ones 133.49 was equally slim, probably even less than 1%, but it has done it. So it's in a trend mode. It's in a trend mode, so it's going to continue to defy all the probabilities. It's going to continue to defy them. You know, three stocks to buy following robust results. Let's see. Yeah, Palantir, one of them, continue to experience serious growth. A theme that's been present amid the AI frenzy. Sales grew an impressive 39% from the year ago, with the company also raising its current year sales outlook in a big way. Yeah, this have already adjusted their current year sales expectations accordingly, with their updated $3.9 billion estimates suggesting 41% year-over-year growth. The customers of the company grew nearly 40% year-over-year and 8% sequentially, also booking its highest U.S. commercial contract, U.S. Commercial total contract value throughout the period, $810 million, which grew a staggering 180% year-over-year. Analysts have also upwardly revised their earnings per share expectations, a bullish sign concerning near-term share performance. Overall, the stock remains a great selection for those seeking exposure to the AI theme. Yeah. So that's what's going on. Strongly bullish, relentlessly printing high highs, just coming off an all-time high, given what happened yesterday. Yeah. So we could just jump over and have a look at its 4-hour chart. Before we do that, let's adjust the extrapolation to have a look at the extrapolation of the price on the 4-hour chart. Okay, this is what we have here. It's the extrapolation is for higher highs. This will be okay. Will not be an all-time high. It has already printed such a price, 133 already before, but it's what the extrapolation is saying that it's going to be largely up till Thursday next week. It's going to be largely it's not even a contraction. It's just going to continue to print high highs, and the 20 period moving average might serve as a primary demand line in terms of projections. Yeah, the algos have projections here. We have 137.91. That is an upper projection. Okay, even 133.15 is an upper projection, given that it has cooled off from the highs of $130. Yeah, this is what's going on. We could even have a look at the 2-hour chart. We might see projections there. Okay, let's see 2-hour chart. We don't have any upper projection. 128 is not really an upper projection. Let's look at the 1-hour chart. Let's look at the 1-hour charts and see what's going on. Okay, we have a couple of projections. We have 130.23, maybe an upper projection. 129, 128.23, not really an upper projection. 133.69, 136.03, 137.48. So our projections is a bit ambitious. 152, a bit quite ambitious. Let's see for the 5 minute. Let's see what we have here. A couple of down projections. Upper projection 136.03, 137.48. 30 minute. Let's see. On the 30-minute chart, we have 136.03, 137.48. On the 15 minutes, let's see what we have. A couple of downward projections. Upper projection 134.46, 135.63. Okay, 10 minutes. Let's see what we have here. No upper projections here. So yeah, that's what's going on. Palantir probably the best performing, the best performing stock in the S&P 500 as of now, as of today, the 15th of May 2025. The best, probably the best, easily in terms of gains. Yeah, so see what you make of Palantir stock. We have new projections, really ambitious projections, towards 152.61, 167.54. There's no guarantee that is going to print these projections. And from the look of things, it looks like maybe it's going to contract, in the meantime. Just, see what you make of it. And thank you very much for watching this video.